This effect is called text tracking. Hello there. Thank you for clicking this video. Today I will show you another simple CAPCUT edit, which is somehow hard for beginners in video editing. Let's proceed right away and open CAPCUT. Create a new project and import a background video. I'll choose a 7-second video duration for this tutorial. You can use longer videos though. Set your video ratio. For now, I'll use a 16:9 ratio, which is the standard ratio used for longer videos on YouTube. It's time for us to add text. Type your text, set your font, size, and color. If you are new to my channel, I will ask you to leave a like and subscribe to Essential TV after you have fully watched this tutorial. If you are following me on this project, I am waiting for your comment. Tell me if you got this. If not, then we will discuss your difficulty. Once your text is ready, click Lasting Text in order for your text to match with the video duration. So now that our text is ready, let me show you how text tracking is done. In the toolbar, search for tracking. You'll find it all the way to the right. Click on Tracking, set the tracking wheel, then click Start Tracking. Wait until the whole tracking process is done. While waiting, let me mention Merkel TV, FCMC, TikTok Chef, Joey Gonzaga, and Cowpian Blogs for leaving a comment on one of my tutorials. Tracking process is complete. Let's play our video. We made it and our video is looking great. It's that easy and simple. So once again, if you learned from this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss any of my video uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to share. See you again next time. Bye for now.